Hey shippers, if you're looking to bulk import all of your addresses, packages, and products for an easier shipping experience, there are some key steps you need to know about, and that's what we'll be talking about in this video. To get the process started, please go to your settings, found under your username menu from your settings page. Click on your shipment settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a menu item called Address Book. On this page, you have the option to add an individual contact, or if you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to bulk upload multiple contacts and addresses. To import contacts, first, download the Excel sheet provided. Once you've added all of your contacts, save the Excel sheet on your computer and then use the Upload New List button to upload the contacts. Next, if you'd like to upload all of your custom packaging, including your pallets, packages, and courier packs, please go to the My Packages link. To import your packages, please download the template provided. Once you've added all of your packages, save the Excel sheet on your computer, and then use the Upload New List button to upload your packages. Finally, if you book many cross-border and/or international shipments, you can bulk upload your products as well. Go to the My Products page, download the Excel sheet provided, and add all of your products. Save the Excel sheet on your computer, then use the Upload New List button to upload all of your products. Now, when you're booking a new shipment, you can easily reference your addresses, packages, and products. Be sure to take a look at all the videos to see the other ways you can ship smarter with Freightcom. Thanks for watching this video. Happy shipping!